What a day. Finally reached the station.
Hey everyone, before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple English conversations.
Looks like the next train is late again. Classic railway timing.
Trains are late again. Classic.
Oh, hey Ryan. I didn't expect to see you here today.
Oh, Emma? Hey, didn't expect you here.
You look tired. Long day at work?
Yeah, busy day. But I like keeping myself occupied.
Oh, wow. You still look pretty energetic, though.
You look relaxed. Day went okay?
Me? Oh, just a normal day. A little boring, a little stressful.
Glad to hear it. Even if it was a bit stressful.
Yeah, I came early because I wanted to sit quietly for a bit. Stations are noisy, but somehow peaceful too.
Honestly, relaxing and talking with a friend is perfect for me too.
Do you come here often after work?
I come here sometimes after work. Helps me clear my head.
Same here. Weekends are my favorite for quiet places.
Weekends? Yeah, quiet places are the best.
I like sitting and thinking, sometimes reading. Oh, and yes, I also watch people sometimes.
Thinking, reading, watching people. Nothing weird about that. Everyone has little habits.
It's fun. You think I'm not weird? Thank you. I was low-key worried.
And yeah, today actually feels really good. Simple, calm, peaceful.
Anyway, today actually feels nice. Simple, calm. Feels like I needed this. By the way, I'm planning to buy a t-shirt from the small shop near Platform 4.
Oh, t-shirt shop? Sure. Why not? Let's check.
Wanna check if it's good? They have some cool prints, but I'm terrible at choosing clothes.
The blue one? Looks good, but maybe a bit too bright for everyday wear.
What do you think about this blue one? Too bright? I thought so. Maybe the black one is safer.
The black one? Yeah, that fits you more. Clean, simple.
I swear, shopping becomes 10 times easier when you have someone giving honest opinions.
Don't worry, you're not the only one who hates choosing clothes. I'm the same. But honestly, this is fun. I don't get moments like this often.
Thanks. This was more fun than I expected. Your train is also late? Wow. Look at that. Perfect timing for both of us.
And yes, my train is late too. Guess destiny wanted us to have this conversation.
You know, since we're stuck here, let me tell you something funny that happened today.
Oh, funny thing happened to me today too. You won't believe this.
So, I spilled coffee on my own notebook, not because I was clumsy, but because I tried to wave at a cat, a random station cat, and the cat didn't even look at me.
I was buying coffee, and the barista wrote my name as Lion. Not Ryan. Lion. He said, "You look like someone who eats challenges."
And then, when I bought a sandwich, the sandwich guy asked me, "Do you want a happy sandwich or a sad sandwich?" I had no idea what that meant. Apparently, happy sandwich means extra sauce.
And then a pigeon stole half my sandwich at lunch. Didn't even feel bad. Looked me straight in the eyes like he owned the place.
I don't know why my life has these tiny, weird moments, but they make my day interesting.
My life is basically work, train station, and pigeons bullying me.
Anyway, today actually feels even nicer because I got to spend this time with you.
But honestly, moments like this make everything worth it.
I'm really glad we met today. It made my whole evening better.
I'm glad we met here today.
Let's hang out like this again sometime.
Let's do this again sometime. Maybe next weekend.
Okay, take care, Ryan. See you soon.
All right. Bye, Emma. Take care. And hey, before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next episode.